Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another one of my favorite looks. It's a good Valentine's Day look, but I think I'm gonna do this look for my anniversary. So you can use this as a date night look, Valentine's Day look. If your anniversaries are coming up, you could do that for this. But yeah, so you guys already know the basics. I don't have to walk you through it. Just make sure you put your primer on, and then you get to your eyebrows. You guys already know that I use Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in Ebony, and then right after I clean it up with some concealer. So yeah, this look is gonna be featuring another one of Rihanna's Mattemoiselle lipsticks. It's the purple one, the bright purple one of the boys. I love it. Again, this is going out to all of my dark skinned girls, okay? You can pull off so many looks. It's ridiculous. Like, don't run away from all the colors. When you first put it on, it might look a little bright, but you can always use a lip liner to make it darker or get it to the shade that you feel like complements your skin tone the best. I like to use lip liners with these colors. You know, the bold colors might not go with your personality, but just know that it still does look good on you. So anyway, back to the look. I'm finished talking. Yeah, so like I said, I'm just cleaning my eyebrows. Y'all know the drill. I don't have to walk y'all through it every time. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Alright, so now I'm just going in with my eyeshadow primer, making sure I don't have any creases throughout the day. Especially if this is a date night look, you're trying to look cute for bae, right? So you don't want to be worried about having to touch up your look, or if anything is cracking on your face. Like, no. Just, if you prime everything correctly, moisturize correctly, then you will be okay. Stress less. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in my crease with that shade that I just showed you guys. I will have all the shades and everything listed below in the description, along with all the other products that I've used today in this video. So I'm gonna go on my lid with the other color that I just showed you guys. It's kind of a shimmery color, not too much, because I am gonna go on top of that with some glittery purple to highlight the purple lip that I'm gonna do later. And there it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that. It's kind of a pinkish purple that I did. I'm gonna put that on the, it's not really the outer portion of my lid. It's kind of like in between the middle and the outer portion of my lid, like right along where the shadow shade and the lid shade are meeting. I'm gonna put it right on top of there. Now we're just gonna go in and create that wing. Wings are for everyone, so you know. But all my wing girls out there, hey, shout out to us. Wing eyeliners are my thing. I barely go any makeup looks without doing a wing. Alright, so now here I'm just going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in 440. Now I'm just going to go in and highlight / conceal my under eye area. I'm going to be using Sephora's Bright Futures Concealer. Now when I say the color is Pot de Creme, or Cream, however you pronounce that, but I'll have it listed below. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go in and set that before it starts creasing under my eye with Rihanna's Invisimatte blotting powder. So I'm just gonna go and line my inner bottom lid with that white color. I'll have it listed below. Putting white on your bottom lid, or even like on the inside of your top lid, it opens your eye up. So if you guys have small eyes, your eyes quiet, then using a white liner will definitely widen them up and open them up for you. Just a little technique. Now I'm going in my tear duct with that shimmery light color. Alright, so today I'm going to be highlighting with another shimmer stick. I'm using Sinamon today. I'm going to do a little bit of contour, but let me take off my scarf first. Now I'm going to go in with, I want to start, it's obviously that was either Moscow Mule or Ginger Binge, but they look the same on camera. I'll go check and see which one I actually used and put that in the description below. But I'm just going to tap a little bit of it on top of my cheekbones where I highlighted and on my nose. So now it's time for my favorite part, everybody's favorite part, eyelashes. Yes, yes. Eyelashes just pull your look all the way together. Love, 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 love it. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in and line my lips. This is a MAC lip liner. Don't remember the name of the color, but again, I'll have that listed in the description box below, along with everything else. So like I said, when it comes to like bright colors or pastel colors on dark skin, it is really pretty by itself, but depending on your personality, it might not be something that you want to go for or with the look that you're trying to do. So I'm going to line my lips first with the darker color, and then I'm going to go on top with one of the boys. You see how it just balances out? It's really pretty. It's not too much. It brings it down like a couple watts, so it's not so bright, but it still gives you that true color. So it's not like a whole different color. You know what I mean? And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys feel about Rihanna's new lip line, or lower lip lipsticks. They're probably about a month old at this point, but you know, let me know what you guys think. Rate, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. All hair info is listed below. Bye.